Yeah, my bad for the end of that video though, you know. I said video 5 at the end, but yeah, this video 4 out of the 30 and stuff, you know. And I said I was gonna be talking a little bit about, like, you know, life and, you know, the opportunities and the gifts that, you know, with each of our life, you know, that we have. And, you know, because we have the power to create a world, a universe and stuff, you know. I look at life like this: we each have a universe and stuff, you know, our own world. When we collide with each other and stuff, you know, we make our world, you know, connect and stuff, you know. And we put it out there, you know. We powerful people. I mean, we powerful and stuff, you know. As long as you know you're powerful and stuff, you know, you are what you perceive to be. So, I mean, that being said, you know, to become more and stuff with your life, you gotta know that more is you and stuff, basically, you know. And yeah, life give you so many opportunities and chances to, you know, present the ways of the things that you planting and you putting out there to create and stuff, you know. The energies that you sharing with others and the energies that you giving and receiving and stuff, you know, will kind of determine like where you going and stuff, and like your emotions and your feelings will kind of create your life though, you know. It's just like this though, at least this is how I'm seeing it, you know. This is my view, you know. Everybody got different, you know, perceptions and views and stuff, you know, but this is my video, so I'm gonna tell you mine though. But yeah, I mean, I say you could do anything with your life, you know, become what you want to become, you know. You just gotta know that you it's you and stuff. You just gotta know and shape and design yourself on, put yourself in that, you know, position that it's already yours. And, you know, your only limits is the limits that you give to yourself, you know. So, I mean, you know, unlimited, you know. So, I mean, like, you know, life give you what you put into it and stuff, you know. And by learning and gaining and becoming more every day, you giving more value to your life and your world around you and stuff, you know. And, you know, being in contact with other positive people and stuff, you making your life better. That's why I like my business and stuff, you know, because there's so much out there that you could do and so much stuff that, you know, could come your way and stuff, you know. You just got to know that you want it, and you got to know that it's yours, and you got to know you deserve it and stuff, you know. And just be like, you know, I don't want to say be happy, but, you know, like, you control your emotions, you control your life, your world around you and stuff, you know. You give people energy and stuff, you know, to a power to let them determine where you trying to go and stuff, you know. If you open to, like, you know, that type of energy and stuff, or letting somebody drain you and stuff, you know, because there will be some people out there that's willing to drain you and take your energy, and some people out there that's willing to give you energy and, you know, stuff that you could value from, you know. I say personally, I say find them people and stuff, you know, that could give you more and that you could learn from, because at the end of the day, it's a growing process. And, you know, in this world, and there's a lot of energies coming into this world, you know. So, I mean, there's so much stuff that you could do for your life and stuff, you know. Don't settle just, I say don't settle just to get by, you know. You always want to make more than what you've been doing and stuff, you know. If you don't like what you're doing, look for other options. Don't accept something that you know you can make more from, you know. You have the power to change it, you know why? Because you are special, and it's your life, it's your world. Create the world that you see fit to become what you want to be and stuff, you know. I ain't trying to preach, but I'm just trying to talk to you, you know, speaking a little bit from the heart, you know, because life is what you make it out to be, you know. It's a lot of stuff going on, a lot of different type of energies want to get more power over you and stuff, you know. If you give them that power, that's what's going to create your life and stuff, you know. You are what you tune into, or you become what you tune into, I should say. You know, this video 4, I believe, about life, you know. But, I mean, comment like, share below, you know. Everybody opinion different, you know, but I mean at the end of the day, what matters is your opinion and what you think and stuff, you know. Like what matters with my opinion and stuff, you know. If you give people value over you, then you could let them determine how you feel and, you know, do your emotions and stuff up and down and stuff, you know, because a lot of people just want to be accepted. But I say main thing first and foremost, accept yourself, be more than you was yesterday, and, you know, make your life the way you want. I say plant your seeds right now so you could reap what you sow and stuff, you know, cause you know everybody need something and everybody want more for their life, you know. At least you should, you know. You here for a reason, you know. Create, make it happen. I'm gonna be bringing video, I believe 5 right this time, so I'm gonna bring 5 time, you know. That's my next 5, and then 6, I'm gonna bring 6. It's gonna be opportunities. You know, I'm just doing them as it go along and stuff, you know. So, you know, I'm just flowing off my mind, you know. Going back, you know, I mean, yeah, let me get out of here though. I'm finna be shooting 5 in the next couple of minutes, so yeah, alright.